Inseam pockets on leather. Hi everyone, my name is Amira and I'm here with a new tutorial on leather. Today I will show how to make an inseam pocket. It might look boring, but in reality you can insert this kind of pocket in any style seam you have in your garment. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to use my leather pen for marking a lot today to make things more visual. Don't forget to test everything before using it on your main garment. I was trying a new pen for leather today, and it was really difficult to remove it, unlike other pens I had before, so be careful. First, take your main piece and cut it so that it resembles the style line. Don't forget to leave an allowance, about 0.8 to 1 centimeter. Mark where you want your pocket to start and finish. Next, we will cut a facing for our main piece. I want my finished facing to be about 2.5 centimeters. And I also need to add about 2 centimeters for the allowance, making my facing's width 4.5 centimeters. The facing should also exceed the length of our finished pocket by about 2.53 centimeters on each side. I marked the allowance to make it easier for me to glue the side. Now, glue your allowance on the main piece to the wrong side. I forgot to add the notches before the glue, so I did it after. And then glued my allowance to the wrong side. Do the same to the facing, adding the glue to the side of the facing that's going to go underneath the style line. Next, I take my second main piece that will go underneath my first piece. Again, to make it visual, I mark exactly where my style line is going to be. And I also mark the beginning and the ending of my pocket. We need to add the allowance. I'm adding 4.5 centimeters to the under pocket area so that it looks nice. I add this allowance starting 2 centimeters before the beginning of my pocket and ending it 2 centimeters after the ending of the pocket. It sounds confusing, but you can see it more clearly in the video. The rest of the style line will need about 1.52 centimeter allowance. Then cut the excess.
Alright, so this is it.
We need to figure out our lining now. As you can see, there is a small difference between our second piece and facing. I'm going to cut two identical linings and adjust them later. So it would be a safe choice to make your lining a bit bigger than needed and cut it later. Of course, when you have a pattern, everything is more accurate. Connect the lining to each leather piece using some clips. And then make a connecting stitch about 0.5 to 1 centimeter from the edge.
Now I'm going to go and iron. I'm going to iron the lining.
Now iron the lining. You can also top stitch it if you feel like it. I didn't feel it was necessary for me. The next step will be to align our facing with the first piece and top stitching it, about 1-2 centimeters from the edge. I started right where our pocket will start and stopped right where it ends. Then I sew my second top stitch parallel to the first one, but do it along the whole piece. Next, align your pieces. Don't bother with aligning the lining, pay attention to the leather pieces. Top stitch the two sides of the pocket separately, 1-2 mm from the edge. Before connecting the linings, even them out. After that, connect the linings. And the last step is to secure our pocket with two small stitching lines at the beginning and the end. And that's it! Your inseam pocket on leather is ready. Hope you found this video useful. Please let me know in the comments. And for now, take care and bye bye.